So welcome to the AIM tutorial. This is Python tutorial online class series, and today we will discuss about the machine learning and how we train our machine in order to develop automatic time telling assistant. Okay, so how the little child and how children are going to learn to develop the machine or the app and the different sections of this data science projects, how tiny data science projects can be made using these tools. So this is sprite, we call it sprite. You can have different object name and so on. And before that, before going to the complex coding, we just go to the little bit the challenge. The challenge is how do we see the watch, how do we tell the watch to each other. Okay, so this is the simple watch, and we are born with intelligence, and we are looking at the watch like this is 12, this is 9, 6, 3 p.m. and so on, and accordingly we are going to learn this small needle and big needle, and we are going to tell that this is 4, 3 p.m. or a.m. whatever it is. Okay, so on the basis of weather itself we can associate the AM and PM as well. So this is all about human, but how machine learn and how machine tells the same thing accordingly, that is the different task. Okay, so he is Sachin, and going to have a kind of cooking competition, and he is having limit base. In order to accomplish that disk, he is going to assign the task, and within certain limit he will have to finish the dish. Okay, so he is going to look an assistant who is going to tell the time at regular interval. So at regular interval someone is going to tell the time so that he might finish the cooking at the given time. Okay, so he is thinking about I wish there was something that helped me know time and so on. So before that, have we developed any apps, or we are know any apps? Okay, so we will learn about the Scratch today. So today Scratch is having vast application as well. So many online teaching tutorials are asking about the Scratch itself, and so many tutorials are available on the YouTube itself, that you can learn the Scratch. Okay, so what is the Scratch? It is, you can have the certain parameter on your screen. I'll share the link in the description box. That on the left hand side we are having this the palettes, and these are called the palettes, and these palettes are almost similar to the watercolor palettes or the different sections of the clothes and so on. And these palette accordingly are having motion, looks. You can change the look, you can change the control of the animation, you can change the operators, variables, and so many things you can do with the same sprite. Okay, and here we are having move, 10 steps, turn, guide, whatever action you will do, this animation cat will perform the same. And on the right hand side, this is the palette, this area is palette, and you just drag and drop on the middle section. This middle section is having code area, but this right section is having stage, where we can have how code is going to run on the display side. There is two kind of side, user side and second one is developer side. We are the developers, so we can work on this code's platform, and what this code is going to affect your animation, that will be displayed on this stage side. Okay, you can change the background as well. Now how we can change the palette? You just drag from the left hand side and drop on the right hand side. Similarly, you can add few features in your area in order, like text to speech, make your project talk, and so on. it's Amazon Web Services, and you just click the animation and you just click the series as well. So in the same way you can make available this motion, this person, that how to speak hello, okay, and it will speak like I am a sprite, and it can see anything. So this is the exact task we are going to perform today, how this cat is going to speak. The time now is current hour, current minute and second, and so on. And this is the biggest example and for us. So on the controls, then we will move to the control section within the for loop, how this forever loop is going to conduct. So move ahead on this developer side, that what we are going to do, we are just drag and just drop on this, and it will just move 10 steps ahead. Then what we will do, we are just going to add this section and this text to speech, and then text to speech means speak, okay. So this is speak function, and speak like say hello. It will say hello. Okay. So on the next section we will just click on the hello, and then speak again. There are 8 speaks, and you can inherit the speak. Okay, on the we will drag one more speak here, and in the speak format we are just going to inherit this speak function. Okay, here we will find out the current, like instead of hello it will say current year. So instead of current year it will print, it will say R. So I will copy this section. Okay, current year. Okay, so I just copy, right click, duplicate, right click, duplicate, and just keep it here, and just I'll say minutes, then I'll say second. Okay, so I'll add on the bottom side, and I'll add it here, then I'll okay. So current time is, so what it will say, current time is, I'll change, okay, hours, current minute is minutes, then one more speak palette I'll add here, it will say seconds. So now click again here.
Current time is 22 hours 2 minutes 40 seconds.
Okay, so this is telling the he is telling the current time. Okay, now what I do, I just add the for loop, forever loop here, and just click on this function. Now what it does.
Current time is 22 hours 3 minutes 2 seconds. Current time is 22 hours 3 minutes
What do we
8 seconds. Current time is
what we are observing with the previous part, it was just speaking single time. Now it's repeating unlimited, means forever, again and again. Iteration is moving and again from the bottom to top, and it is going to code the entire part itself. So this is going to have, so this is the portion, and we can have the certain click. Okay, so I just remove this side, and just what I'm doing here, I just events, I just create the event, I just keep it here. Okay, when flag is clicked, it will perform the same task.
current time is
Okay.
22
So this is the event, and we are on the basis of this event, it is going to create a time and again and again.
4 minutes, 7 seconds. Current time is 22 hours, 4 minutes, 13.
Okay, so this is how we create a automated time telling machine on machine learning, and we just create the on time table and this automatic time telling assistant for the future. Thank you.